How to create a toggle switch in Wix Studio. So in order to create a toggle switch, you just need to click on the this plus icon that we can see right here in order to add an element. From in there, click onto the search bar and search in here for toggle. You can also try to search in here for switch. Either way, it will show us in here the switch under the input. Or you can also just go right here to the input and you should be able to show it up in here the switch that we're looking for into this particular case. So we have in here switch options. For example, let me head over and then use in here this one. However, do take note that it requires code or CMS in order to actually set an effect onto this particular switch. Just head over and then select the switch that you want to add and then drag it wherever you want it into the actual page. As you can see right here, it's now been added. Click onto the settings in order to customize it further. You can input the field title, value, and field type. And from this, you can see in here this icon that actually allows you to connect it to CMS. So head over and click on it, and then add a data set that this switch will have. So that's how you create a toggle switch in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.